I,
cash
I
flow?
just want to pick up with Barry whether you're seeing the furloughing cash come through.
Yes.
But you are actually seeing that come through, are you?
Yeah. Yeah.
That is positive.
Mm-hmm.
And any experience of the new the new 50,000 loan?
No, the bounce back.
The bounce back. That's the word I'm looking for. Yes.
Those are quite
no.
interesting, aren't they? Because they appear to be, as the criteria seem quite broad, and it's you can have 50,000 quid for a year interest free.
Yeah.
Does it need repaying?
Yeah. And that's the case with all of these. It's you're going to have to repay it at some stage. So
And
if you've got
hence
an unviable business, when do you actually close the door if your business is actually unviable?
Yeah. I think there's a whole issue going to crop up. It's right up your street, Howard. It's not specifically a short-term cash flow thing, but assuming the cash flow is such that people need to take these CBILS loans, and they are going to take, firms are going to take a real hit, as I've said, over the next 3 or 4 months. That hit is going to affect the existing owners, the existing partners. Okay, the repayments may be over a period of years. I haven't worked out in my head what that's going to mean for the prospects actually of recruiting new partners. And on what kind of basis. I suspect there's going to be a lot of reworking of sums needs to be done there.
Yeah.
That's interesting. It's only just reminded me I was advising unofficially somebody who's going to join a large firm at the end of April, I think. And I was saying to him, it's an unlimited partnership, and I was saying head and heart. Your heart says you want to join because you like the people, you like the culture, but your head says I don't like the unlimited liability, and you've got to raise a lot of cash to put in as capital. And I don't know what's happened to him. Yeah. I don't know whether he's proceeded or not.
Yeah, I suspect that's another topic for you to put on your list, Howard.
That's really messy, isn't it? I mean, why would you put money into an unlimited partnership now?
Yeah, absolutely.
I noticed in the press this morning, I won't name names, but a reasonably well-known mid-tier Manchester firm appointed a new head of corporate. And you immediately think, don't you? Okay, well, a head of corporate would normally be coming straight into equity.
Yes.
And would you now?
No.
Well, I think it's back to that index that I was coming up with. It seems to me almost any partner in a conventional, reasonable sized firm is going to lose a 6-figure sum in the next 3 or 4 months.
Yeah.
So why would you do it now?
Yeah, exactly.
But if you're on the other side, and I know it was tongue in cheek, I was talking to one practice in the very early days of this, when they were looking to see who they should admit as new partners, and they had people knocking on the door, and their approach was beginning, tongue in cheek, I think, admittedly, to say, well, let's admit them so they can share the liabilities with us. So I suspect there might be a few people genuinely thinking that.
And with this firm you're looking at, Howard, was there goodwill involved, or was it just a capital influx?
It was just I think it was just capital. It's a household name, which
as we know, there are still some firms that do trade goodwill on partners coming in and going out, and and you and I have had the conversation a number of times as to quite what goodwill in a law firm is, or more likely isn't worth.
Yes.
So, but to do those deals now with a goodwill element, is there any goodwill?
Yeah.
Because we don't know. Depends on how long this goes on and what shape the recession is.
Yeah, I think most deals are likely to be done on a net asset basis, but you then got to decide how you value the net assets. Particularly if you've got a personal injury firm, it's valuing the work in progress, which probably can be done still, but on a bigger discount than it was.
Yeah, they need to lock out.
There are work types.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mark.
No, I was just sort of going to say the PI market needs the lockdown to end so people can go out and have accidents.
Yes,
That's exactly what a client said to me this week. Business has fallen through the floor. We're finishing existing cases, but we need people to have accidents.
Yeah. I had exactly that conversation.
That's someone else's fault. Bye all.
Bye-bye.
Bye everyone.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.